to Tom's house, and he has a beautiful farm out here in Iowa. As you can see, beautiful view off the side there. And there's his barn. He just got new metal roofs on his barn, so he's real happy about that. I'm happy today, really happy. I don't sound happy, but I am, because I got my Starlink satellite dish. See it up there? And I got a flagpole buddy. Hooks the flagpole up there and the satellite dish sticks right on the top. They call it dishy. Come down with this flagpole buddy. And then down the wire I've just got running off. Just hanging there for now. Got to remember if I started the generator not to leave it there. 75 feet, so I can set the dish up out in the yard if I had to. Right here I have the router. It plugs in right there, and it sends the internet signal into the RV. I was concerned I was going to have to run that wire up through the slides or something to get that router inside. It's not really necessary. Cool thing is, my brother's got a nice place here, and then we just hook up the water and electricity back to the barn behind it. There's his house. What's interesting is that in the next few months he's having this house tore down. Actually, he's going to build the new house and then tear this one down. It's really beautiful here. Nice big fields going out here. His wife's parents' farm, inherited it, 100 years old. He's got this old windmill. Wind will pick that up, and it really creaks. Say hello, Tom.
Hey. You know, like to you and me, a big horse, you think, oh man, that's intimidating. But to a kid that's been riding bulls at the fair, these horses are calm. You know, those things are all like,
yeah.
Everything's going good. It's kind of pretty simple. But the only thing that's complicated is when you have a problem. Then you better know what you're doing.
Does it take a special wagon to haul one of these huge horses?
Like if you're going to haul them?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, you can haul them at a regular horse trailer. And sometimes they even have to duck to get in. And they'll ride along with their head bowed, you know?
Don't want to move over.
They let them know right now that's not acceptable. We're not going to have it, you know.
Mishka? Was that her?
Yeah. He said he wouldn't take her on the highway.
Oh.
But you can take her on the farm and do anything you want. Her wanna try to get away. All right, girls, beautiful, successful outing. He spent hours watching how he did it, but I also tried to analyze. I came up with my own theories about what works best. The draft horses tend to be about the most easygoing horses. It looks impressive because they're big. Ponies are actually the toughest ones to work with. Finally accepted the fact that I really am not a cowboy. That he was told she came from an Amish farm where they used her as a produce horse, meaning they would ride her in the garden, you know, like a big garden. Probably have like one person plowing or maybe one riding on her. The Amish man is standing right there beside her working hard.
Right.
And so is maybe his wife and children. They're all out there working too. They're all sweating. The brake wants to lock when I'm going on just one tire. It's wanting to do that, so I have to take this thing and strap and hook it to keep the brake from depressing itself.
He could probably fix
He
that,
can
huh?
fix it. I just need to call him.
Do you have a trailer?
He's got a trailer, I don't.
Oh.
So that's one reason why I decided to go ahead and wash it, because I want to call him, and I don't want him to come out here and see that it's not perfectly clean, because he loves his tractor.
So we're here in Amanas and we're trying a little wine tasting. Cheers. Illinois on our way to Michigan, and we're staying at this little RV park here. Has a nice little lake over here. Got all set up over here. Got my Starlink satellite dish set up. The only problem is there's a tree up there to the north. It still works pretty good. Skips once in a while. We're just staying here one night, and then we're heading over to Indiana on our way to Michigan. The highway's over there right between those trees. But it's just far enough away you can't really hear it. There it is. Super nice little campground. When you pull in, came right up and came to the window of the RV and drove me to my RV spot. I was able to register online last night and get one night. And when you register, they show you a camp map and you can pick out the site you want. This is the drive coming into the place. Campground's in the middle of the country. Out in the middle of a bunch of cornfields. I'm walking next door to this place. I noticed they have a sign that says repair Cummins generators, and ask them if I can talk to their generator man. Got a Cummins sign up there, so that's why I thought they might work on it, but it said they only work on Cummins diesel generators. It never hurts to check. Stupid generator worked fine this morning. Playground for the kids. Basket. Look, this guy's got a Starlink dish. All the RVers. And then here's the restroom building. They have LP. So the laundry's up here on the left. And they have a real friendly kitty cat. One washer dryer.